I bought a mini, look, light, camera, action. Yes, I bought a mini light that is portable. I can take it anywhere I go. It have the attachment part, can attach to the computer at the back right here. How it look? How me look? Light, camera, how me look? So the phone can go on the stand right here. Yes. So in my traveling, I can always take this little mini ring light with me. Put it over my head like this. Little more light. Yes, so I work it. Yes. I want you guys to please like my video. Please share. Please comment. And also please subscribe. I thank you all for watching. And I thank you all for the love and the support that you have shown. The engagement. Yes. We are going down memory road. We're going down memory lane, Jamaican. Stop with the crime and the violence now. Make we have a nice little Christmas now. We don't want to hear about the killing and the shoot. We don't want to hear about those things. Let us give love in this season. Compliments of the season. Share. Give love. One love. Come, let's get together. In this festive season. Be kind to one another. Have a little empathy in your heart. Go look for some sick and shut in. Cook them a meal. That's what I would do if I was there. Cook some sick and shut in a meal. Share your dinner with somebody now. Somebody who is less fortunate. Make them have little of the rice and peas. Drink little of the carrot juice or the soursop juice. Eat little of the goat meat. Yes. Come, let us do it. Come. Let us join our hands and our heart together. Fix things. Crime and violence have no place in society. Let go that. Drop that. Dash that way. Not take up that. Live. Because if you take somebody out, they will come back for you. And please, when you're making money, close your mouth. Because people don't like to see you excel. Thief never like to see thief with long bag. The TikTokers, they are going down. I don't know the reason why, but my condolences go out to those family of the deceased. Violence don't pay. Badness no pay. Please, I beg of you guys, just give life a chance. Give peace a chance. I'm out.